Hello everyone, thanks for watching my video. Today we will learn how to create account on Payoneer. First of all, you have to write Payoneer. After that, site will open and click on register. Very simple and easy way to create an account on Payoneer. Here you have to write there are 5 options: freelancer, services provider or SMB, online seller or dropshipper, affiliate or digital marketer, vacation rental host and individual. You have to click on freelancer. After that, I am looking to get paid by international clients and freelancer marketplace. After that, you have to write monthly volume of more than $25,000, and after that you have to click contact us. This page will open. Here you will write your name. Now, for example, Imran Khan, company name, media, email at gmail.com. phone number, you have to write your phone number. After that, select your country and main line of business, freelancer. Where are your most client located? Overseas. And which freelancer marketplace are you looking for or are you working in? Fiverr. And after that, what is your monthly international income? More than $10,000. Number of employers, less than 10. There are a lot of options. Just click where you want to click. And after that, no, I would like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion and events. And other option is no, I don't want to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion and events. After filling this form, the next is a simple step. Just click on submit or register now for a Payoneer account. Just submit your form and they will contact on your Gmail account and they will send you a link on your inbox. Just submit and they will thankful to you for understanding how Payoneer can help. This is a very simple step. Just check your account, email account, and there will be a message in your inbox. Thank you.